Did you know that you can get hands-on training in what it's like to be an impact investor while you're a GSB student? This is not a theoretical exercise. The GSB Impact Fund makes real investments that have real social and environmental impact. The fund is managed by students who invest in seed and Series A stage impact companies around the world. Among other investments, our diverse portfolio includes a women-owned company that makes reusable shipping packaging, a tractor-sharing venture for farmers in Africa, and a new rapid, low-cost diagnostic test for hypertension drug therapy. The GSB Impact Fund offers students practical experience in sourcing and evaluating investment opportunities, pitching and closing a deal, and managing a portfolio. Plus, you get exposure and build networks with peers and practitioners in impact investing and social enterprise. Students participate in the Impact Fund for a wide range of reasons.
I think a big question for a lot of students at Stanford, at the business school, the GSB, is how do I combine my interest in business with an interest and a passion for actually creating real social change? And I can't think of a better way to learn that at the GSB than be involved at the Impact Fund, because you're getting to see that straight up in front of you. But you're also getting to interact with a ton of entrepreneurs who are thinking on similar lines. And you're being supported by all this training. You're being supported by all these advisors who are actually practitioners in this space. And you're having constant conversations with your classmates and your peers on these topics. So if it is something you're interested in, social impact and business, it's a really fantastic way to get to explore that intersection.
The Impact Fund is a great way to meet other students in your class who are also interested in social impact and making a difference in the world. So while you might meet students in your section very easily, the Impact Fund will give you an opportunity to meet other students with the same interests that you might have.
I think you should apply to the Impact Fund because it is, I think, one of the only extracurriculars at the GSB where you really get to develop a new skill set. And so it's a valuable experience whether or not you have investment experience. I was not an investor before getting involved with the Impact Fund, and you do all of the work. You're doing the outreach to the CEOs, you learn what it means to source, you learn what it means to do the diligence, have those conversations, and it is very much a learning by doing.
How can you be involved? Through a competitive process, you can apply to be on the portfolio team, where you manage the assets of the whole fund and provide strategic advice to the companies in the fund portfolio. Or on a deal team, where you make investments in one of several impact sectors guided by a professional advisor who specializes in that sector. You go through the same process you would working in the field to evaluate an investment's impact and market potential, business model, management team, and key opportunities and risks. Then, you pitch the deal to an investment committee that includes professional impact investors and GSB professors. Participating in the Impact Fund is great preparation for any impact career. You develop deep sector knowledge, learn to evaluate the potential for impact and how investing works, and build your professional network. While you must be able to commit 5 hours a week to the Impact Fund, students with any type of experience can apply. We build stronger teams by including people with both investing and impact backgrounds who learn and grow together. You can only apply to participate in the fall, but our Impact Fund program staff is here year-round to help you understand the field of impact investing, where it might fit in your career, and what you can do to pursue your interests. We can make connections for all GSB students in the impact investing field. To learn more about the Impact Fund and how to apply, contact us or find us at CSI on MyGSB.